Ithacappella presents Real American Heroes.
Real American Heroes.
Today we salute you, Mr. Tenor One Acapella Singer.
Mr. Tenor One Acapella Singer!
So your body stopped developing about halfway through puberty. That's okay. You can come sing with us.
Sing!
You've come to grips with what nature cursed you with, and you proudly tell everyone, I'm a tenor, because tenors are sexy.
Tenors are very sexy.
Some people consider you abnormal. Why? Is it because of your freakishly high voice? Or is it that you never seem to have to shave?
Smooth as a baby's bladder.
You ignore all the other guys that make fun of the size of your vocal cords. So crack open a brand new Ithacappella CD, Mr. Tenor One, because when it comes to all-male acapella, the last thing we need is more testosterone.
Mr. Tenor One Acapella Singer.
Ithacappella, Ithaca, New York.